2001 F150 Harley Davidson supercharged lightning style exhaust. Install, no weld. So here we have the long tube Dynatech exhaust. Got the Dynatech mid pipe. There's the other side. Mid pipe goes under, comes to the crossover pipe. Crossover. And here's the first modification you'll want to do. So I got total flow X pipe. That's 12 inches. As you can see, got the butt clamps. And the X pipe, right behind the X pipe, you want another 12 inches of pipe. Which goes into two butt connectors. And then from there, I have the Flowmaster 50 series, which basically designed for the lightning. And they have a universal exhaust hanger. It's just bolted on the outside of the leaf spring mount. It goes out to 2.5 inch stainless steel by 4 inch outlet. And the only modification I had to do, which was back here, you probably can see the original F150 Harley Davidson exhaust hanger. I basically moved that. Well, I didn't move it, but I had a second one, so I just installed it up here. And that enabled me to mount the exhaust. And once again, all you need is basically 10 butt clamps, and everything clamps up real nice without welding.